Ever wondered how parrots keep track of their noisy families? They give each chick its own unique name, that's right. Parrots have their own version of baby names. When a chick hatches, the parents create a special sound like a signature whistle just for that chick. This sound is totally unique, kinda like your name on your school notebook. And here's the wild part, that name sticks for life. Even when the chick grows up and flies away, it keeps responding to its special call. Scientists found this out by recording parrot families in the wild and playing back the unique whistles. Guess what? The parrots always react to their own names. So next time you see a parrot, remember they're more than just pretty feathers. They're loving parents with some serious communication skills. Isn't that just mind-blowing? Hit like if you think parrots are the coolest parents in the animal kingdom.